You're now connected to Boatstone 170.
Hello guys, today I am going to show you the Boatstone 170 Bluetooth speaker. Is it worth for money or not? What about its sound quality? Let's get started. It is box of the Boatstone 170 charcoal black. I brought it from Amazon. You can check the price in video description. On the box, here are written about its special features. It has 1800 mAh lithium battery, which can run this device up to 6 hours. Bluetooth, aux and SD card supported. No FM radio. You can pair with two Stone 170 device if you want to listen stereo sound, and it is IPX6 standard, water resistant. That's all. It is a micro USB cable for charging. It is very short and look like a cheap cable. .5 to 3.5 audio cable for aux input. It is also looking very cheap quality. It is good, at least those cable are included. Some companies not gives aux cable with speaker. Warranty card, user manual. By the way, this device comes with another 3 color variant. It is an ad for other boat products. It is the Bluetooth speaker and it is looking decent. In hand feel is also good, but I think this rope is not suitable for this device. Here are micro USB charging socket, aux input and micro SD card slot. In the top, here are on-off button, volume and mode selection button.
Adios, amigo. Powering off.
sound quality is good. Bass, mid-tone, treble, all are balanced. For this price range, we cannot expect high bass. Sound loudness is enough for a room, not feeling any distortion in 100% volume. Buttons are a little bit hard to press. Overall, if you want to buy a Bluetooth speaker in low budget for listening inside a room, not outdoor, you can choose this product. Thank you for watching. See you again in the next video.
Disconnected.